Hey, bro, crank it up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a banana pastry. Really, when I saw this recipe, they did not show the name, not anywhere. Call it a banana pastry. I do not know what's called. So let's just get right into it. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Chicken, banana. Banana. Chicken, banana. Banana. This is a very easy recipe and I wish it had a name, so comment down below what you want to call it. Please! I really want a name. First, you take one banana. I'm just taking two because my mom doesn't want to share any bananas with me. Next, we peel them. So guys, take whatever spoon you have at home and then scoop the inside like a big fat canoe.
Oh, that's actually sick.
This is how it should look. Now we fill that up with chocolate. So I'm gonna add my favorite chocolate, Hershey's, the brown version, and my mom's favorite, dairy milk. Now we wrap the banana with a puff pastry sheet. So now you brush it with milk, or if you eat eggs, you can brush it with egg yolk. Guys, now you put these in the oven until they're golden brown. Let's go, I can't wait. So my mom and dad liked it a lot. Also, I did. So guys, this is very good. You should try this recipe. The crunch is also absolutely amazing. And the chocolate is also so good. Bye guys, enjoy my video.